Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from a text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document with a background text box. Now we want to remove this background from this text box. Click the text box, then go to the shape format menu, then click the shape fill option and choose no fill, then click the shape outline option, then choose no outline. Now we can see we remove background from text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.